As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm trying to decide between these two Charbroil grills. One's the Grill2Go X200, and the other is the Classic Series 2-burner. Know anything about them?
A little. So the Grill2Go X200 is that portable one, right?
Yeah, exactly. I like that it's easy to move around, but I'm wondering if it's powerful enough.
Well, it's got a 9,500 BTU burner and about 200 square inches of cooking space. Good for a few burgers, but not a huge feast. The Classic, on the other hand, has 20,000 BTUs and 280 square inches.
Okay, so the Classic is definitely bigger. Is it much harder to move?
It is heavier, yeah. The Grill2Go is only 20 pounds, but the Classic is almost twice that at 37.5 pounds. Plus, the Classic is a full-sized grill with a cart, while the Grill2Go is a tabletop model.
Portability is a big plus for me, but that extra cooking space on the Classic sounds nice. What about features?
The Grill2Go uses Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook evenly.
Oh, that sounds fancy.
It is. The Classic uses a more basic convective system. It also has a side burner, which could be super useful.
Good point. I do like having a side burner. What about the grates?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel grates, which are easy to clean. The Classic has porcelain-coated wire grates.
Gotcha. Price-wise?
The Classic is listed at $139, while the Grill2Go is $147.97.
So, not a huge difference there.
Nope. It really comes down to what you value more. Portability and that TRU-Infrared system, or more cooking space and a side burner on a bigger grill. Oh! And the Classic has Amazon's Choice badge, so people seem to like it.
Okay, that's helpful. I'm leaning towards the Classic. The extra space and side burner might be worth the trade-off in portability. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.